Hi guys, I'm not sure what that is, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just here to say, hey, when it rains, go outside and dance in the rain. Don't be afraid of it, it's just water. And know that God has your back. You're not going to get sick from water, you're going to catch cold. No, you're not. God loves you, and by the way, I do too, and I don't care who knows. Let's watch this thing for a second and see if anything happens there. Not odd, but because it's not quite dark. Can't really see it with my eyes, but I can see it with the camera. I'm going to zoom in as far as I get. It's not on a tripod, so I'm wiggling. Let's back that up. What's there? It's kind of cool. Don't forget, God loves you and so do I. Take that to the bank. Alright, you guys. You don't have to wait till it rains. Go out and dance, man. Enjoy your life. I don't know how many we get, but I know this one is precious. You got 2 feet. You got 2 hands. Go out and dance, man.